Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making slow cooker collard greens. You will need 2 pounds of collard greens, 2 ham hocks, 4 cups of chicken broth, 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Place your slow cooker on the brown setting, and now melt your butter. Now add the onion and garlic and saute for 3 minutes, or until your onions become translucent. If your slow cooker doesn't have a browning feature, you can do this step in a skillet. After 3 minutes, add your ham hocks, then begin adding half of your greens. Now change your settings to slow cook on high, then season with your salt, black pepper, and red pepper flakes. Pour in your chicken broth and water, then allow it to cook until your greens have reduced. You can find a printable version of this recipe along with many others on my website. Visit soulfoodcooking101.com. A link is in the description below. Now mix and add your remaining greens. Cover and allow it to cook for an additional 3.5 hours or until your greens have reached your desired tenderness. Now add your vinegar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made